Let's talk about how to write an essay. As you probably already know, an essay has to have at least 3 paragraphs. An introduction, a body paragraph, at least one, and the conclusion. Now, in this class, you will be asked to write either 2 body paragraphs or just one, but no more than 2. So let's talk about the introduction. The introduction has 2 parts, general idea and a thesis statement. In your general idea, you introduce a topic that is given to you by your teachers, the topic you're writing about. And in your thesis statement, you introduce your own ideas, your opinion about the topic. The thesis statement must have 2 major parts. It has to have the topic, and it has to have the controlling idea. The controlling idea should have several ideas. And those ideas eventually will go to your topic sentence number 1, topic sentence number 2, and if you have a third idea, it will go to topic sentence number 3. So now you have 2 ideas about, or 2 opinions about the topic you're writing about. When you start writing your first body paragraph, you need to start with the topic sentence. The topic sentence also has 2 parts. It also has to have the topic you're writing about and the controlling idea, number 1, which is this idea, the first idea you mentioned in your thesis statement. So in the topic sentence, again, you write the topic and idea number 1. And then, of course, you use major supporting details and minor supporting details to prove your statement, to prove your point of view. In the second topic sentence, again, you have to mention the topic and you have to mention now your second idea, second opinion about the topic. And in the conclusion, of course, you restate your thesis statement. You also have to mention the topic and your ideas, but this time you have to use different words to express the same. Now, let's look at this example. I have one essay example. The topic is the importance of voluntary work. Okay, so in the general idea, right here, you introduce the topic. You only talk about voluntary work. Maybe you want to mention about the history of voluntary work, any famous volunteer activities or people who volunteered and so on and so forth. But you do not introduce your own opinion as yet. Your opinion comes here and it's stated in your thesis statement. This is the last sentence in your introduction. So here's the thesis statement in this essay. Therefore, voluntary work is important for the community and the individuals. So as you noticed, the topic is highlighted yellow here. So the topic is voluntary work is important. You have to mention this topic in your thesis statement. And then you introduce idea number 1, and it's highlighted bluish, and idea number 2, and it's highlighted green. So then you start your topic, body paragraph number 1. You introduce your body paragraph 1 with topic sentence number 1. And again, if you look at topic sentence number 1, it has the topic, voluntary work is necessary, and your idea number 1 for the society. And then you introduce your first major supporting detail, then you have your second major supporting detail, and then you have a bunch of examples, specific examples. Now, topic sentence number 2 also has the same topic, but now idea number 2 that you mentioned in your thesis statement. And again, you introduce major supporting details and minor supporting details. And in your conclusion, you restate your thesis statement. Now, it's easier to do if you have done some work before. So it will take you about 15 minutes to write an essay like this. But in order for you to write this in 15 minutes, you have to do some work prior to that. And it's called Brainstorm. And we're going to talk about how to brainstorm in our next video.